Nitecore, the new i4 IntelliCharger, and it's a smart charger. Nice thing is it will do all the cells individually. Each slot charges individually. You can see here it accommodates different size batteries, but what's in the box? Shazam! It's a battery charger. 4-bay battery charger, has the sliding battery retention device holder thingies, and you get the cord too. So, and for the nerdier amongst us, we have the Nitecore manual. It actually has a lot of good specifications in charging velocities and whatever on there. If you are doing lithium ion, you might want to read the manual. If you're doing AA's, AAA's, it's all plug and play, so it's real simple to use. Okay, it's a 4-bay charger. What I really like about it is that, for instance, my headlamp takes 3 AAA batteries, but my flashlight takes a single AA. Used to be I had to do them in pairs. It was a giant pain in the ass. Now, I can, since the cells or the chambers charge individually, I can mix and match. There's 2 good ways to do this. Since it's spring-loaded and takes different sizes, I think if you put it in kind of let the battery settle down and just let it snug up on its own, I think you get the best contact and just kind of like symmetry. And we go right in. And now, through the magic of TV, we will fast forward. When you turn it on, it's going to check all of the individual chambers, or the bay, or whatever you want to call it. So it's a 110, way out of frame, sorry. There's a 110 cord. Mostly I want you to see the lights as it comes on. Checks all the bays and verifies them. 2 lights show that it's a metal or a nickel metal hydride battery. And then there are 3 LEDs for the charging. This shows those batteries are obviously fairly low. It'll keep flashing, and as each stage of the charging completes, the LED stays solid. It'll go up to the 3rd LED. When that finishes flashing, you have a charged battery. Pretty simple. Like the fact, like I said, all the batteries will charge individually. You can charge different sizes at the same time. 20 bucks, really happy with it. I would definitely buy another one. I'd buy 2 more, as a matter of fact. Get one. Happy charging.